Ionization
of acids and bases. Acid and bases are classified into strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. You know, strong acid and strong bases almost completely dissociated in water. For example, HCl and NaOH. This is acid, base. In aqueous medium, dissociated H plus Cl minus Na plus OH minus. HCl and NaOH, these are the strong acid, strong base, completely dissociated into H plus Cl minus and Na plus OH minus. For weak acid, weak base, partially dissociated in aqueous medium, CH3COOH. This is the weak acid, acetic acid. Donate H plus ion in aqueous medium. This is partly dissociate. Ammonium hydroxide, base. So this is ion, OH minus and NH4 plus in aqueous medium. The solution of weak acid or weak base contain undissociated molecules along with a small number of ions at a equilibrium. Discuss about dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base at a equilibrium. Consider weak acid. HA is a weak acid in aqueous medium. Formation of H plus A minus ion in the aqueous medium. The equilibrium constant called acid dissociation constant for this equilibrium constant. This is a K for acid. Ka is equal to concentration of the H plus ion into concentration of the A minus ion divided by concentration of the. This is the dissociation constant for this acid. Similarly, dissociation of a weak base BOH in water or in aqueous medium. BOH is B plus OH minus ion in aqueous medium. Dissociation constant at equilibrium for this base Kb is equal to concentration of the B plus into concentration of the OH minus divided by concentration of the OH. Thus, the dissociation constant of weak acid or weak base is defined as the equilibrium constant for a dissociation equilibrium of weak acid or weak base respectively. Ostwald dilution law. On the basis of Arrhenius theory, Ostwald explained the Ostwald dilution law for weak acid and weak base. For weak acid, consider weak acid in aqueous medium gives H plus A minus ions. Equilibrium constant for weak acid, concentration of this H plus the concentration of the A minus divided by the concentration of the HA. Suppose 1 mole of acid HA Suppose 1 mole of this acid HA initially present volume for this acid V decimeter cube of the solution. At the equilibrium, the fraction dissociated will be alpha dissociated fraction, and where alpha is the degree of dissociation of weak acid HA dissociated. Alpha is the degree of dissociation H plus and A minus ion. Amount present at equilibrium, this HA 1 minus alpha, here alpha. Concentration at equilibrium, moles per decimeter cube, volume V 1 minus alpha divided by V, alpha divided by V. At the equilibrium of weak acid, equilibrium constant Ka, concentration of the H plus into concentration of the A minus divided by concentration of the Ha. Put the value of this concentration alpha divided by V into V 1 minus alpha divided by V or K. Solve this. Ka is equal to alpha square divided by V square into V. This is the dividation. Inversely 1 minus alpha, that is the alpha square divided by V into 1 minus alpha is equal to Ka. For the weak acid Ha, alpha is a very small. Therefore 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to 1. Therefore Ka is equal to alpha square divided by V. Degree of dissociation alpha square is equal to Ka into V, that is alpha is equal to under root Ka into V. You know C is equal to 1 by V. Therefore V is equal to 1 by C. C for concentration. Alpha is equal to under root Ka divided by C. That is degree of dissociation means alpha is directly proportional to the square root of square root of volume of this solution, and degree of dissociation is inversely proportional to the square root of concentration of this solution. This is the Ostwald dilution law for weak acid. Similarly, Ostwald dilution law for weak base. Weak base, consider 1 mole of weak base BOH dissolved in volume V decimeter cube solution. The base dissociate partially. BOH in aqueous medium gives B plus aqueous plus OH minus in aqueous medium. According to dissociation constant Kb for weak base, concentration of P plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH. Consider 1 mole of weak base BOH dissociate partially alpha. This is the degree of dissociation for this weak base volume V decimeter cube. Here the amount present at equilibrium 1 minus alpha because alpha dissociated, and at concentrate 1 minus alpha divided by V, alpha divided by V, alpha divided by. You know the Kb is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of the BOH. Put the value of this concentration at this equilibrium 1 minus alpha divided by V for BOH and B plus OH minus alpha into V, alpha divided by V, 1 minus alpha divided by V is equal to alpha square divided by V square whole dividation 1 minus alpha divided by V. That is Kb equal to alpha square divided by V. Similarly, weak acid is equal to alpha square divided by V into 1 minus alpha. Degree of dissociation for weak base is very small. Therefore, 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to the 1. Hence, Kb is equal to alpha square divided by V. Therefore, degree of dissociation alpha square is equal to Kb into V, that is alpha is equal to under root Kb. This is the dissociation constant for weak base into V, or alpha is equal to Kb divided by V. That is, the degree of dissociation for a weak base is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration and directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution. This is the Ostwald dilution law for weak phase.